do you fly upside down? It's amazing at the way you get around. Little birdie, why you worry like you do? Don't you worry, you just do what you can do.